Hello everyone! So today we'll try something different. We'll do a nice whiskey cocktail, a classic one called old fashioned, but we're gonna do a little twist. That's gonna use some figs marmalades. Marmalades? Yeah? No, figs jam. Figs jam. Very nice. For this cocktail, we'll put a spoon of figs jam. So, some dash of bitters, 3 dashes that I put here, and then we're gonna stir a little bit. In the classic one, we put normally just sugar, but this twist is gonna use some figs for sweetness, so it's quite real nice. So we're gonna mix it. We'll now pour some whiskey. Of course, I'm a gentleman, so gentleman Jack Daniels. So I'm gonna pour 6 cl or 60 milliliters, and then some ice cubes. This cocktail is really easy to do at home. You just need a few ingredients, 2 or 3, and ice cubes. And then we're gonna stir it. So I don't have my real materials here because I put everything at home. At my work. So, but I'm staying at home, so I have to improvise. So and we want then to dilute, to put our drink cold, and also then after some decorations. Alright, so some ice cubes, nice, sweet, aromatic. Alright, delicious. Now I'm gonna put some orange peel. Alright, and then squeeze the oils out. So, like this, and then pour it in a drink, and pour it inside or outside. So, and here we have a nice old-fashioned twigs. No, and you have here a nice old-fashioned twist. Old-fashioned twist. Here you go, Phil. Take a look. Come to me. And here it is. So, really nice, easy drink to do. Here we go. Let's try it out. Nice one. If you love whiskey, this is perfect cocktail for you. Have a good day. Good day and stay at home.